Now tell me you done seen that thumbnail, right? That's why you here, right? Today I'm getting ready to show you guys just how easy it is to make one of my favorites too, because we always like to have a little topping. Today we making a peach cobbler, French toast. Reason I say that, listen, we all love the peach cobbler, and we all love French toast, and who can say no to breakfast/brunch? Let's get it. Okay, so look, let's go over some of these ingredients, right? Obviously, peach cobbler, we gotta have peaches, right? You can make this with, canned peaches. They work just fine, but you know what? I was able to get some fresh. Check it out. Peaches, folks. All right, look, we got cinnamon, vanilla extract, we got butter separated, and this is the key. For those of you guys that already know, and then for those of you that don't know, this right here is challah bread, right? I think some people used to call it, including myself, challah or whatever, but this right here is challah bread. This right here is an egg bread, fire taste by itself. Look, we got milk, and then look, if you really know, got them hen eggs, folks. This is it right here. Now, you got to have a station, because we are doing French toast. You got to have something so you can dip, flip over, and then hit the skillet, right? Got brown sugar. Then if you guys come all the way over here on this other side down this way, and for me, you know what? I got to use the real Canadian maple syrup. And then right here, when you say French toast, you got to have some kind of, I'm going to do this like confectioners, but look, we all know it as powdered sugar. Okay, so look, the first thing we're going to do is we want to peel these, right? Because we got fresh peaches. Now look, I got a pot boiling water. Go ahead and break this away from ourselves so that we don't catch no steam burn, right? Now, go ahead and get my spider. Look, it's already boiling. We just want to put these in here just like this, right? Oh, yeah. You guys know I didn't go to culinary school, but I think they call this blanching. We just want to get it like this. I just want to get it back up to a boil. Then I'm going to set it for a simmer. I'm going to let it simmer for about 35, 40 seconds. There we go. I can see the bubbles coming up off of it now. I just adjust it, just like you see. I'm gonna go ahead and put this top back on here. We put this on here. Now, follow me with this right here. I got this, because I said about 30 seconds, right? What I want to do is fill this up with ice water, because we want to stop the cooking process. So I want to take them out of here, put them in there, and that makes it easy to go ahead and, peel them. Okay, so look, now we probably went closer to a minute. Let me just go ahead and get this off. Now we use our spider again, because we just get down in here like this. Make sure we drain all, whatever that hot, water is, and we just put it in here, and this stops it. This kind of just wakes it up. And I want to say that this is part of the process. When you kind of flash, makes it cold, it helps with the peeling also. So get these in here. Okay, so look, now we got them peeled, right? So now we got to go ahead and just, get them sliced. You guys can cut these down, just like this. This is the way I do them. Watch out, I got a sharp blade, you know what I mean? So we'll get them like that. Now we just take this out like that. I'll get this pit out. Once I get the pit, and I get the rest of these cut, then we just cut them down in slices. Now you want to get yourself a bowl, and stage them. Just like that. Okay, so look, now that we got them peeled, you just want to go ahead and start slicing them down, right? So it's up to you how you want to slice yours. You know what I mean? You find the way that you want to do it. I don't have no real way. You know what I mean? I like to get them I'll show you right now. Like these right here is cool for me. You know what I mean? Even this is good. It's really up to you. You know what I mean? That's good. Okay, so look, you just saw me put the peaches in, right? Go ahead and get this ready. Look, I'm starting to bring up, my pot, my saucepan, I'm bringing up some heat, right? So look, now you want to take your butter, just drop this in here just like this. We want to let this melt. Look, because we finna soften these up just even more, and then we finna put a whole lot of goodness in, all right? So, let me go ahead and get this to melt just a little bit. As it's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and just add half of my vanilla extract, right? We're gonna hit it with a little bit of the cinnamon. You see that right there? You see how you see the cinnamon? You can see this butter starting to melt, work its way on down right there. Tell me your brain ain't sending a signal through your mouth telling it to salivate. All right, now we add our brown sugar. Can you guys say goodness, folks? I guess it wouldn't be fair if I said, can you smell what I'm cooking? All right. So take a look. That's what we're working with, folks. Let me give you some ooh-wee. Should I cue that music? Move it from the heat. I'll put this on the stove right now, and then we finna start getting everything ready for that French toast. Okay, folks, we winding down. Now to get more familiar to you, you know what I mean? This is just like how you would do if you were just making regular French toast, right? So you just want to go ahead, set this station up, right? I start off like this just to start for myself, you know what I mean, before I put everything in there. I found this to just work out a little bit better, you know, when you make it. So you guys can do it in a separate bowl, but why? You know what I mean? Let's just go ahead, just get it halfway, you know, scrambled like this. Now we come with our milk, right? Our vanilla extract, right? I'm gonna just give it a little bit of a head start. If I can keep from making a mess, we're just gonna give it a dash or two of the cinnamon. I said a dash or two. Got it? What I did was I started out on a low heat, right? Because I'm gonna go ahead and multitask, but I want to start doing my butter. So I'm gonna just drop that in there just like that. What we want to do is we just want to go ahead and cut down our slices, right? So when it comes to this, for me, I like a little bit of a thicker slice, right? So I'm gonna just show you right here. I like to put at least be like 1 inch slices, you know? And listen, we're using a serrated knife, you know, bread knife, right? The trick is you let the bread knife do its cutting, you know what I mean? We just let it cut, you just move it back and forth, let the weight of the knife take it down. Okay, so look, I take the ends off, you know what I mean? Don't trip, I turn that into something too, you know what I mean? But this is what I want to show you. Look at these slices right here. You know what I mean? These are nice. Man, if you had a restaurant, you could serve this up real nice. Maybe I should put it this way so you guys can see it. Pro tip, we don't want to have soggy, look, we don't want soggy French toast, right? So listen, when I set it in here, I'm not gonna let it stay in there long. I just want to get it in here so that it's in there just long enough. Let's do 2 slices, because this was a little bit of smaller challah bread. You know what I mean? So look, I'm gonna drop them in like this, right? You just wait a second, it starts to absorb into the bread. Then we flip it over, right? Like this. And then listen, this is ready. We don't want it to be soggy, right? So we just go ahead and add it like that. Get this one out. Drain any little excess and drop it in just like that. After just a couple of minutes, you know what I mean? Then we're gonna flip it. You guys will be able to see what it looks like on the other side. That right there is what you're looking for. That right there is that's that photo quality. You know what I mean? Hey, let me stop. I'm over here popping my collar. You know what I mean? Then we just bring this over here. And what I'm doing is now I'm looking at how the color of it, right? So I'm just gonna scoot this over a little bit and bring this more so concentrated underneath the fire in the pan. These are ready to come off. I'll put this here right now, and I'm gonna fix it so you guys can look underneath the bottom of it. If you look at that right there, that's what we want, folks. So we'll take this and we'll just place it right there. Now we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna use my wooden spoon, you know, give this a stir. Somebody called the food police because somebody going to jail today. Look at this right here. Holler at your boy. Wait, we ain't done. You know what I mean? Because we got to put a little bit of that ooh-wee on there. Here we go, folks. Now tell me what you guys think about this right here. Check it out, folks. You ain't got to tell me. Put that down in the comment section. And, you know, everybody writes in there like, hey, that ain't fair. But check it out, folks. It's not. And cheers. This is so good. I don't even want to wash it down right now. I just want to like taste all of the goodness. Hey, the peach cobbler is on hit. If you guys been following me and you seen my peach cobbler video, ooh. And the French toast made with the real holla. Cheers. Hey, I'm laughing because the people behind the camera had to tell me or remind me like, hey, bro, we got to finish up the video. If you look right here, you want to know, is it a joke? Nah, I ate way too much. You know what I mean? Hey, but listen, when something's good, it's good. Like I say, we all love peach cobbler and we all love French toast. So when you put them together, that's all I can say. This right here is fire, folks. Hey, you know what? It's out early enough so you guys can get it. You know, get your ingredients or whatever you need for the, for the weekend. You know, make it. You know what I mean? This makes a great Saturday or Sunday brunch, breakfast, however you want to do it. This is it right here. And don't forget, let me know what you guys would do if you guys got some level ups. I love to read them down in the comment section below. Now, let me just take this time to say, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, listen, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, I got nothing really to pick up and walk off. But guess what, folks? I'm out. Peace.